they will slowly and slowly, while in the meantime, they will digest the food. And the rest, the balance of the times, they like to play with the mud of water. Especially in elephants, they like to cover their body with the mud because they need to maintain their body temperature and they need to keep their body cool. So that's what they do in whole day in the life in the jungle. And for the next demonstration of the mahouts, demonstrate how they're trying to get off the back of the elephant's body. Well, you can see that for normal people, I guess, we need a ladder or a staircase. But for them, there is a technique. Okay, slowly all the mahouts, they will climb up and they sit by back on the elephant's body. Yep, there is a first demonstration. And after that, all the mahouts will step down from the elephants. Okay, this time we need to be very slowly and carefully. Any single mistake is going to be injured for them. For the next demonstration, this time our mahout will try to get up from front of the elephant. Okay, this time they're going to use the elephant to run. Well, here we go. So once again, the elephant leaps up the mahout. And elephants run, they are made of about 100,000 different muscles without any single piece of bone. It is very strong and very powerful elephant run. And here we go, so ladies and gentlemen, get ready. The elephant's approaching in front of you. Our elephant would like to spray out the water. Here we go, yeah. For an elephant trunk, when they suck the water, they can hold the water in their trunk until 8.5 liters of water, and per day they think from 80 liters to 200 liters of water per day. I'll go the elephant mouse in front of you right there. Thank you everybody, thank you very, very, very much. So that's the end of the elephant encounter this afternoon. Well, right now, to those also who want to feed the elephants with their sugar cane, you can continue to do so. And to those also who want to visit the animal-free zone area, you can proceed to the truck station. And we hope you enjoy with us today in the park. See you next time and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.